Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. And today is Sunday, April the 14th, and here's what we're having for dinner. So to the left we have a Mississippi roast, and it looks very delectable. And then we have on the side a cheese biscuit from the Southern Keto Cookbook.
In addition to what Trandon said, you guys, we're having cauliflower with the roast. We dumped it in, so it's kind of already cooked. Instead of doing potatoes, we dumped in some cauliflower. So that's what we're doing. And then Jackson is making a cinnamon sugar biscuit. So he's going to put a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of the Truvia brown sugar and sprinkle it on his biscuit. And he's going to have a cinnamon sugar biscuit. Mom is just having plain. So that's what's for dinner. And we'll see you tomorrow night.
In contrast to Trandon, but not to Mom, in addition to Mom, I have made the cinnamon biscuit, and I hope it's as good as it looks. So, bye.
Okay, everybody, so here's what's for dinner. Tonight we're having Nashville hot chicken on the chicken wing drumettes. So I just put those in the oven according to the Craveable Keto cookbook recipe. I put them in the oven, and I did about 50 minutes on the chicken wings. I used her, if you want to look for it online, it's the garlic parmesan chicken wings, keto garlic parmesan wings. And I used that recipe to cook the wings, and then I used the Nashville hot chicken sauce. And then I'm just doing this is a loaded broccoli and cauliflower. So that is what we're having for dinner, and we'll see you tomorrow night. Look at them. Look at them. Everybody chomping. The dog's chomping, the kids chomping. Everybody chomping, ain't you? So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. We're having Nashville hot chicken wingettes and loaded broccoli and cauliflower. Okay, everybody, so I'm making velvet pork chops tonight, and I have went ahead and pan-seared my pork chops, and I just used some olive oil and some butter, and then I've just pan-seared them, and then I let them rest. And if you see, there's a nice bit of juice that's in that plate. I'm doing 2 batches worth of pork chops so we can have dinner tonight and lunch tomorrow. So I'm going to be doing a velvet sauce, and I saw this on Shelly's channel from Shelly's Home Life. And I might not be doing it exactly like she did, because I always try to, I make a recipe my own. But we're going to try to recreate it as best we can. So in the pan that I fried the pork chop in, or pan seared, I didn't use any breading or coating on those, just salt, pepper, chili powder. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to let that get up all those little bits at the bottom. I did pour the excess grease off so that we didn't have a lot of just oil. But of course, remember, in keto, we need to get as much of our fats as we can. So I poured that grease into the fried cabbage, because I'm doing a fried cabbage. And so I'm just going to allow that butter to get nice and melted in there. To that, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. So I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Put that in. I do have this on a pretty low heat because I don't want it to burn before I get all my ingredients in. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Well, we're just going to finish out this jar because that's all we have left in there. To that, I'm going to put in some of the G-Hues. This is the honey mustard sauce that I found at Walmart. So I'm going to put in some of this, probably half a cup. And then to that, I'm going to put in half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And then I'm just going to stir everything together. The basis behind the velvet sauce is just, again, just like it sounds, velvety, smooth. And I do want to get all of that sauce out. Again, I have this on a low heat. If I need to add any more liquid, I'll just add a little bit of water to thin it out some so that that cream cheese melts. Alon, can I get you to help real fast here? Just to put up what we need. Jackson, come help please, real fast. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So tonight is Wednesday night, tonight is not Wednesday, tonight is Tuesday night, April 16th. And instead of having cheeseburger soup, which was on our list of things to have, we are actually having velvet pork chops and fried cabbage with a little bit of bacon bits. And the reason I was able to do velvet pork chops tonight is because the kids are on spring break from Taekwondo. The county over from where we live has their spring break this week. So all those kids are on break. And while the kids are on break, because the master knows that most families travel during spring break, he gives us off this week. Our spring break is not until next week, but that's okay. So I'm able to be home in the evening is why I'm explaining that. So I had enough time to do some velvet pork chops and also to do the fried cabbage. So this is Jackson's plate and this is what we're having for dinner. Alrighty friends, so I have just cooked up pan-seared a steak and I've got some butter melting and it is melting. Let me put it over here so it'll melt more and not slide off. Alana seasoned it up for me. So I am going to share this steak with Jackson. Jackson just asked if he can have a piece. And Jack actually made some peanut butter cookies. Oh, I must have turned it off. Oh. Some peanut butter cookies. They are in the oven right now. I'm actually also going to put some of this velvet sauce on the steak from the pork chops we did yesterday. This was just what was left over. So I'll put a little bit of that onto the steak. It was a very good and yummy sauce. Hoping it'll just melt on the steak and warm through. I'm working on some videos right now, which is what Mom is doing. I'm getting ready to film a video for this bag that I got from Aldi. People who are lazy are laying down. Hey lazy, what's your middle name? Acro Lazy Wilson? Are you Acro Wilson? No. Well, let me, this is my current bag that I'm using for school, right? It's Jackson's Army camo bag, which it has been wonderful that he would allow me to use that. But I'm getting ready to transfer over just until I can get over to Target and get the bag that someone gifted me a bag. And I just haven't been to Target to pick it out yet. So I'm getting ready to work on my grocery haul video that needs to be filmed here. And then we're going to be doing a few more things in the house. Really? All by myself. Don't want to be all by myself. Where's ma'am? He's like, where is she? Why she don't want to be friends? Ma'am does not want to be friends. She pretty antisocial. I know. Your friends are out there. They're out there, buddy. He's standing and watching. They're outside. They're coming for you. Mama was coming 17 weeks ago. She ain't got here yet. Praise the Lord. But she on her way. Hey, buddy. Jack, say hey to the friends.
Hey, friends.
Really?
What?
Bye-bye.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Mom's channel, and today we are doing a what's for dinner video, and I think it's Wednesday. I'm not sure if Mom starts her videos here or ends them on Saturday, but anyways, Mom is having a steak, a big large steak, and she doesn't like medium rare, folks. It was done. She's going to split that with me. We also put some fried cabbage in the oven. Guys, if you've not tried fried cabbage, you should try it. It's delicious. One of Mom's friends brought us this casserole, and it is delicious. Very. So, me and Alana are going to have that. Well, I'm splitting this piece of steak with Mom. Anyways, that's our dinner. And for dessert, I made some chocolate chip peanut butter cookies, and those are going to come out in about a minute, and that's what we're having for dinner. Bye.